Want to install Facebook Messenger on iPhone 11? In this video, I will guide you how to install Facebook Messenger. The first thing you want to do is open up your App Store. Now, you want to tap on the search bar. Here, type Messenger or Facebook Messenger and tap on the search option. Now, this is the application you want to tap on. Here, you will find the Get option. Go ahead and select that. You might have to double click on the sidebar in order to verify. Once you do that, the Messenger application will be successfully installed. After it has been installed, go ahead and tap on the Open option. Now you can enter your mobile number or email address, then enter your password and tap on the login option. After that, you can easily start to use the Facebook Messenger app. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.